And remember, if I can cook it, so can you, so go nowhere. Let's create ribeye steak. And this one is pretty thick, by the way. And I'm going to be making some tacos with this baby. So let's get started. I had this out of the refrigerator for about 45 minutes, room temperature. This one I'm going to treat a little bit different. I'm going to put a little bit of oil, extra virgin. Just a few drops. Float this baby. Little bit of sea salt. Going flaky. Keeping it simple. Adding a lot of flavor. Some ground black pepper. Little bit. Flip it. Repeat the process on the other side. Medium high. Cast iron. If you don't have a cast iron, you can use any type of pan. I highly recommend you invest money on a cast iron. This one is about 100 years old. I purchased this in an antique store. Look at this baby. Woo. Extra virgin olive oil, my preference. And I'm going to put, it's hot, going to put this baby there. And because this is about maybe 1.5 inches, almost 2 inches actually, I think I'm going to cook one side for about 4 minutes before I flip it and take a look at the situation. About 4 or 5 minutes later, see how dark and it is? You're going to turn it. Get the sides for about a few seconds, you know what I mean? Get that fat burn, cook before you flip it. And then you come to turn it around. Put some butter. And let this baby take care of business. Very simple. Doesn't have to be fancy, doesn't have to be pretty. But that butter is going to serve its purpose. And because I'm using this for tacos, I don't have to go crazy with garlic or anything like that. Just do your thing. Cook it for about 3 minutes. Get this baby juicy. It's going to be dark, but don't worry. You're going to be fine. Look at how beautiful. It's time to get this baby out and put it to rest. Be careful, you don't want to get burned. So let it rest for about 7, 8, 10 minutes, okay? So some of the oil I already used, I'm going to put it here for my tacos. Because I do cook my taco shells. Try let it go for about 45 seconds and then I'm going to flip it and do the same on the other side. So I have lettuce. Let's put the lettuce first to create a bed. Look at this steak. Look at this baby. Just put a little bit here. Another piece here. Tender. Not too bloody because you don't want the tacos too bloody. Leave some of the fat on it. Then what you do is you get some of the tomatoes. some onions, a little bit of cilantro, some jalapeno to add some spice and heat. Have a little bit of avocado here, you can put it there too. And a little bit of lime. That's simple. Then you're going to create your taco and enjoy it.